This is my Lego Knex roller coaster. This is the Screaming Serpent, as you can see. So yeah, this is my Screaming Serpent roller coaster. And yeah, so basically when I got it, the chain sticked. So the chain wasn't really working. It got caught onto that. Wasn't working. And ow, I just stepped on it. Oh, that hurted. So basically, this thing right there, I lost. Someone broke it off. It wasn't me. And basically, this snaps off. I had it for a while, so basically, yeah. So this basically just goes up here and goes. And let's do that again. So yeah, this is the Lego Knex Screaming Serpent roller coaster. It's very big compared to one of my other roller coasters right here. This one. So it's very big compared to it. So yeah.